Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaimini, owner of the Jaimini Beauty Clinic based in the United Kingdom. Now today's tutorial is about how to make your lips fuller without any lip fillers. Lip fillers is a big thing at the moment, it's trending. So without putting any injections into your lips, which are very painful, I'm going to show you how to enhance your lips. So what you do is you apply a lip liner slightly away from the outer edges of your lips, as shown. As you can see, it already started looking fuller. So now what I'm doing is I'm applying smooth and long-lasting lipstick. This lipstick apparently lasts you up to 24 hours. And look out for my video on how to remove longer-lasting lipstick. What we've done is we used the Maybelline and you'll see it's going to give you a wow factor in just a few seconds. Now the edges, what I've done is our blendable lip liner. I'm just sort of blending it in so it doesn't look like you've got a lip liner on. It just blends in. And you're done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Any comments will be welcome. And thank you for watching.